I want to stop. I do. I'm trying. I really am.
Wait, go back to that. What?
I have a fire chief who's an arsonist who also is having an affair with the man investigating my fires.
Wow.
It's been a really great opportunity to have professionals come into F&M.
And if she doesn't understand what happened?
I mean, whatever is keeping her from telling the police.
Yeah.
Could, yeah. And so really having people like William DeMeritt who come in and give us a look into what we'll be facing outside of F&M is a wonderful and very helpful experience.
When you point, you got 3 fingers pointing back at you. What's more interesting is open touch.
I haven't had somebody in professional world comment on acting before, and I'm like, oh no, I like acting, and somebody said I wasn't bad at it, so I think that's definitely going to influence the rest of my decisions.
Oh yeah! Oh,